Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'll show you exactly how to set up a clean, organized homepage in Notion, whether you're just starting out or you want a fresh start for your workspace. By the end of this guide, not only will you have a beautifully minimal homepage, you'll also know how to customize it and build the perfect launchpad for all your notes, tasks, and tables. So let's dive right in. When you first land on the Notion dashboard, especially as a beginner, Notion tends to greet you with a few welcome instructions and sample pages. These are helpful at first, but soon you'll want your own personalized space. Think of it like redecorating a starter apartment so it feels like home. So let's replace Notion's instructions with a homepage that truly fits you. Go ahead and click on the main page title at the top. For this demo, we'll keep things incredibly simple, the kind of setup you can always extend later. Change the headline name to Home. This does more than just look tidy. It's about creating clarity. Whenever you open Notion, seeing Home front and center immediately tells you where you are. Next, let's switch the little icon next to the title to a house. Click it, scroll through the icons, and pick one that feels welcoming. Maybe a classic home symbol. It's a small change, but trust me, these visual cues make navigation quick and intuitive, especially once you've built out your workspace. Right below the icon, you'll notice a space that says Add Cover. Hover over it, then click Add Cover. This is a fun part. Think of picking a cover image like choosing wallpaper for your virtual home. Scroll through the options and choose one that suits your vibe. Something simple, maybe a calming color or scenic background. Don't worry if it's not perfect on your first try. You can always switch it anytime. Now, underneath the cover, you'll see some placeholder text. This is your chance to get creative. Replace the text with a friendly greeting, something like, "Welcome to my homepage." You can personalize this as much as you want. Maybe add an emoji or a quick inspirational line. Remember, your Notion homepage should make you smile every time you open it. Next up, let's add some structure so you're ready to tackle your daily workflow. Click the plus sign, a little button that lets you add new blocks. Select Page and let's name this one Notes. Why create a separate Notes page? It keeps your thoughts, research, and ideas neatly filed, so you're not searching around for random scribbles days later. Once you've got that, add another page and name it Tasks. This is your dedicated space for to-dos and reminders. Grouping these together means you'll always know what needs attention. While we're at it, let's create one more page and call it Tables. Perfect for tracking things with databases, like expenses, book lists, or project timelines. If you're wondering why we're organizing things this way, it's because Notion thrives on modularity. You start simple, a few pages, a nice welcome, and you can always build out more later. Maybe over time you'll add pages for playlists, recipes, workout logs. Notion really lets you make it your own. And there you have it, a minimal, easy-to-navigate homepage that you can update and expand as your needs change. Don't be afraid to explore. Notion has a huge range of options, and experimenting is the best way to discover what works for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment with any questions or if you'd like to see more Notion tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new Notion homepage.